Hello everyone, I am Niyati and I am here with Shaiyan, and we are going to talk about a managing design and development project titled Usability Study of Buymie. Buymie is a mobile-first platform that connects users with a crowdsourced network of personal shoppers and allows them to order goods and groceries from local stores and have it delivered to their doorstep in 1 to 2 hours. The feature requirements of this platform are listed below. We started off with our investigation phase by using the three research methods in the same order as the representation. We essentially chose to follow this in order to figure out the essential features and key components that makes Buymie what it is. Since it is a service-oriented app, we wanted to start by examining its users and creating character profiles for them. Subsequently, using the second method, we were able to observe the process flows that affect all the user groups. Once we gained an understanding of these two components, we went ahead and compared the user interface design of Buymie with its competitors. We used the first technique of scenarios, user profiling, to capture the essence of Buymie's design idea within its context of use. By utilizing the technique of audience analysis, we identified the 4 target user profiles who use this application. The second method, error and flow analysis, was used to determine the process flow within the different components and also identify all possible errors and their causes. The functionalities listed on the right are written in the form of information flow through the system of Buymie. Finally, we used competitor product survey to compare and evaluate Buymie's competitors by collecting information on their interfaces, their features, and how they treat user historic information. The outcomes can be summarized in the form of the figure below on the left, and on the right are the variables that create the division between startup tier, mid-tier, and top-tier grocery distributors. Below is a comparison between the landing pages of Buymie, Cost Cutter, and SuperValue, and we have also listed the positive and negative features of each.
Our analysis led us to three main issues: clutter, which was the result of overpopulating the list of items due to an over-reliance on external database plugins; notification strategy was the result of focusing on the service and delivery of the goods itself instead of on coupons and offerings; and user trust deteriorated because the coherence between payment, address selection, and checkout was not so well aligned. Combining our analysis from online research, Buymie competitors, and practitioners in the industry led us to identify the best practices you see in front of you. The ones highlighted in green were the ones we deemed the top ones influencing usability of shopping platforms. Following on from our best practices, we divided our objectives into a lesser pool and a dominant pool for further guidance on our redesigns. Functional analysis was the key driver behind our redesign methodology. It took us from pure sketches to solid mockups to an A/B test in the use of a focus group. With the original landing page on the left and our complete mockup on the right, the sketch shows the middle ground where we try to integrate the use of promotions and categorical navigation to increase the speed and clarity of the user cycle. The use of a focus group helped us to determine which key goals we were addressing: the economic use of real estate, the speed of an active user completing a cycle, and the offloading of user brainpower via extreme categoric navigation. While still forming our final solutions, it is already apparent that they will fall into two camps: that of the short term with immediate impact and that of the long term with a more lasting impact.